Hey guys, this is your girl, Ashira Nelson from SavvyGirlMoney.com. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Yep, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give you a little time because I want you to get all the gems that I spill on this channel. 2019 is almost here and it is time to build. Build on whatever projects you've been working on. Build on your savings, your wealth to get that house you've been wanting. Build up your credit score. Everything you have been working towards, it's time to do. And I want to give you the knowledge and the tools you need to do exactly that. So you don't miss anything. I want you guys to subscribe right now. I'm going to give you a second. Okay. Thank you. Now the business done. Today I want to give you 5 tips to help you get approved on your mortgage loan. Where I got the idea for this video was as I am approaching closing on my second property, I was thinking about some things that have been consistent as my husband and I are acquiring these homes. The mortgage process has not changed. And the request from the mortgage lenders is the same. Our first deal, we did for sale by owner, and we pretty much did the deal ourselves. We did the deal with no realtor, which was not easy. So I'm not recommending to not use a realtor or recommending to use a realtor. No matter what you decide, just make sure you read a lot, take advice from people who have went through the process to prepare yourself, and never stop learning and being open and asking questions. Buying a home is going to be one of the biggest financial processes and most meaningful processes you undertake. And I want to make sure you guys are prepared in 2019 to do exactly that. So these 5 tips is going to help you get that mortgage loan. So number 1, I recommend you guys to start saving. Yes, save, and save now. Hopefully you already started. If you have decided in 2018 that you wanted to purchase a home in 19, you wanted to already started saving. Saving is very important because the banks or the mortgage lender want to see this cash sitting in your savings or checking account, because they are going to request 2 months worth of bank statements, and you want to make sure you have this cash sitting there untouched and ready for the closing process. The bank will also be looking out for unusual transactions, and you'll have to explain everything that looks a little shady. So if you are the person who do this saving in a shoebox or saving in a jar, you want to make sure you get that cash deposited into your banking account before you start looking for houses or going about the housing process. Number 2, make sure you guys review your credit report and know your credit score. This is like my number 1 tip. Seriously, guys. If you know me or follow me on my Instagram, you know I take credit scores very serious. I feel like credit is power. It helps me to do so many things. It helped me to close on both of those deals. Having a great credit score is going to help me build wealth. It's going to help me do so much. Don't allow your credit score to work against you. My recommendation is to grab a copy of your credit report, and that's from annualcreditreport.com. I recommend this site because it is the only free place you can get a copy of all 3 reports from all 3 reporting agencies annually. So go to the website, make sure you print off your credit reports and really go through them, like literally page by page, line by line, and know what's in your reports. That way you're prepared. You can handle it. You can fix anything that needs to get fixed, because every negative thing on your report, they are going to question. without a doubt. They're going to make you explain. They're going to make you provide explanations to everything that's negative. My quick tip to this is, if you have like a missed payments or anything negative, get it straightened out in advance. That's right, just get it straightened out. Get on a payment plan. If you are in collections, work it out. Work it out at the beginning of 2019. So mid 2019, if you're ready to purchase that home, you already had it taken care of. You paid it off, or you got on a payment plan. No matter what you decide, you want to have this stuff figured out. Whatever solution you have with these lenders, save the proof. If you have a zero balance, save it. Make these companies provide you a letter showing that you paid it off, because the lenders, the mortgage lenders or the banks, are going to request these documents. They're going to want to see, okay, you said you paid it off. Let me see a letter with zero balance. You already can have this stuff. Get you a good folder and put everything in it so that you are prepared and ready. Tip number 3, start paying down your debt now, today. Again, if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram or any of my social media platforms, or even at savvygirlmoney.com, you know that I slay debt. I don't play about debt. I cannot wait till I am debt free, and it is coming in 2019. Make sure you pay down the debt, because they look at your debt to income ratio, and you want to have a low debt to income ratio. You want to make sure you also don't create new debt during this time. So as you're paying off your debt, don't create nothing new. Don't go out and open up a Target card. Stop using that Old Navy card. Just handle your business, pay down that debt. Tip number 4, and I put this separate from paying down debt because this is very important, and I know so many millennial professionals that struggle with this. Make sure, if you owe the IRS or any other taxing authorities, like the state of Ohio, that's the state that I am in, or if you owe like localities like RETA or CCA, work out a deal with them now too. So if you owe any back taxes for any reasons, any year, get that situated and figured out now. And like I said, with paying down debt, keep the documentations. If you pay something off, you want to keep it in that handy dandy folder that's going to keep all your tax and mortgage documents in. And my last and 5th tip is keep copies of all important documents. The mortgage lenders or the bank are going to start requesting everything. They're going to want to know your entire life. They're going to want copies of your W-2 for the last couple years. They are going to want the last 2 years worth of tax returns. That is your whole 1040, the whole packet that was filed with the IRS. They want that. They also want your paycheck stubs over the last 30 days. So no matter if you get paid once a month or bi-weekly or semi, whatever, however you get paid, last 30 days, you need to show them your paycheck stubs. Like I said on saving, they also want your bank accounts. They want those bank statements. They want to see how your money is flowing in and out, how much you have saved. So you want to be prepared. Some other things that they might request, if you have filed bankruptcy, yep, honey, they want all of those documents too. They want to see the bankruptcy discard papers. They want all the details. They want all the tea. So just be prepared. Just have it all in the folder. They can also request other documentation, so just be ready. And in conclusion, guys, remember, 2019 is all of our year. Let's get prepared. Let's buy the home. Let's get our credits up. I hope these 5 tips help you. If you have any additional questions, please send me a message at savvygirlmoney@gmail.com. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel if you haven't done so, and follow me on Instagram at savvygirlmoney and say hey. So until next time, guys, bye bye.